See, how beautiful is the house with all furnishings and interiors. But see the state of the family that's residing in this house. This sorrow state of the family is due to the geopathic stress and negative force that are passing through the house. If a family lives in a place where geopathic lines are crossing, those family members will face a lot of problems like financial problems, health problems, psychological problems, personal problems, and family problems. And the person who's lying on the bed for several years where geopathic lines are crossing is prone to cancer too. Let me tell you what is meant by geopathic stress and negative force. Geo means earth, pathy means effect or pain. The bad electromagnetic waves that are emitting from the cracks, polluted water, cavities, and mineral deposits that are present under the earth's surface influence the life of human beings. This is the theory of geopathic stress. If geopathic lines intersect on the road, the area is more prone to accidents because at that point the geopathic stress affects the thought process of the vehicle drivers and cause accidents. If geopathic lines intersect in the agricultural lands or gardens, then it affects the growth of the plants and trees adversely. We can see the irregular growth of trees with no productivity and prone to various types of diseases. We can see the round extra growth on the trunk protruding outside of the tree. These extra growths are the symptoms of the tree cancer caused due to geopathic stress. The place where geopathic lines are passing, we can see cats and bats wandering often, and also we can see more beehives in these areas. There is probability of attracting lightning and thunderbolt at the intersecting areas of geopathic lines. As the energy emitting from geopathic lines is of negatively charged and of lightning is of positively charged, so the lightning and negative energy tend to attract each other and cause thunderbolt to fall in this area and cause damage. We can detect geopathic lines with the help of copper rods and universal detectors. As we go from east to west or north to south with copper rods held in our hands as shown and walked through, we can see these rods are deflecting away, which shows the presence of geopathic lines. And the copper rods intersect as they approach high-intensity geopathic lines. Let's see the procedure of detecting geopathic lines with the help of universal detectors. As we go from east to west or north to south with universal detectors held in our hands as shown and walked through, we can see these rods are deflecting away, which shows the presence of geopathic lines. Now we can see how to detect the negative energy that is emitting above the surface of the earth. Generally, this energy is present and emitted from the dungeons, scrap rooms, storerooms, corners, etc. We can detect this negative force with an instrument called risk magnetometer. As we held this instrument in hands and walked through, we can see red light glowing and the indicator needle deflecting to the extreme right position of the dial. This shows the presence of negative waves. The effect of geopathic stress that is emitting below the surface of the earth can be nullified with the energy crystals placing at appropriate place with the suggestion of experts. These energy crystals energize our homes and brings happiness and prosperity in our lives.